Unit 2 Classification of Living Beings. Lesson 2 Classification of Living Beings. Introduction. The surface of the Earth is inhabited by a great variety of living organisms. Some of them, such as amoeba or chlamydomonas, are so small that they can be seen only under the microscope. Others, such as the whale or the banyan tree, are so huge. A general estimate number of species of living organisms existing today is more than 5 million. It is therefore very difficult to understand and remember about each and every living organism. It is more precise to classify them into different groups on common characteristics shared by all members of that group. Classification is the arrangement of living beings into different groups on the basis of their similarities. The great philosopher and biologist Aristotle was the first person to classify living beings into plants and animals. He also classified all available contemporary animals, so he is called the father of biology. Taxonomy is the branch of biology which deals with the study of all plants and animals, their identification and classification. Nomenclature is the system of giving proper names to all the unidentified plants and animals, so that these organisms can be distinguished from one another. Genus. Two or more species agreeing in many important features constitute a genus. They resemble each other in the morphological characters of the reproductive parts. For example, banane, people and fig are different species, but they resemble one another in their reproductive characters. Therefore, they are placed under the same genus Ficus. Species. The basic unit of taxonomy is species. A species may be defined as a group of individuals which resemble each other very closely and can interbred with each other successfully for reproducing their own kind. Sometimes, due to variation in climatic or edaphic conditions, individuals of a species may show a certain amount of variation in form, size, color, and other minor characteristics. Two-kingdom classification. In general, the living organism are divided into two distinct kingdoms: the kingdom Plantae and the kingdom Animalia. Hence, these systems of classification are known as two-kingdom system. Five-kingdom classification. The five-kingdom classification was proposed by R. H. Whittak, 1969. 1. Kingdom Monera. In this kingdom, primitive unicellular organisms with prokaryotic cells are kept. They contain DNA in the cell but lack nucleus. 2. Kingdom Protista. They consist all organisms with eukaryotic unicellular cell. They contain nucleus in their cell. Paramecium, amoeba, euglena, etc. 3. Kingdom Fungi. It includes non-flowering plants. All the unicellular and multicellular non-flowering plants like mucor, yeast, mushroom, etc. fall in this kingdom. The body of fungus is thalloid, not differentiated into root, stem and leaf. They are heterotrophic organism. They absorb their food from dead and decayed organic matter.